Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today's topic is doodle. This is drawing topic, step by step tutorial on how to doodle. On the first day, you will take an easy object and draw that object structure without focusing on detailed work. If you focus on the detailed work, you can't draw. That's why you will not focus on detailed work. On the first day, choose easy object to draw. If you choose typical object, you can't draw. That's why you should take easy object. Easy objects help you to draw on the first day. It will draw easily and then you will feel a little bit more confident in the doodle work. Here you can see the first day of the doodle work. Two men are playing. This process will continue for 5 days. Then you will be ready to take more typical objects to draw to improve your doodle work. After 5 days, please remind this. Day by day, I upload my doodle work on YouTube. You can check it out in the short section, link given here. After 5 days, I will come with my next video on YouTube. So keep it up and wait for my video. Continue checking my doodle work on YouTube. It will help you to understand how to draw. Thank you very much.